Okay, this is the rear end of a 325 Magnum Polaris 2000. The axle is already out, the rear end complete, because we snapped the axle in half at the spline on the right side. You can see here's the broken part of the axle. There's supposed to be a spline. Here's the other side. This part here is snapped off. I just took some zip ties and I held up the caliper up while I took everything off. You'll see how I disassembled that in the next video. You can just do the reverse order and disassemble it in reverse how I reassemble it. And again, here's the axle, and I will show you the new axle, which was quite expensive, in a little bit. Why don't we go over here and show you I'll show you the tire. Here's the spline that broke off right in the aluminum hub, which is extremely unusual. Because you can see the hub is still bolted up, even though the spline, is broken off inside the hub. So there it is, and that's what we're going to replace.